guys, welcome back to my channel. Over the weekend, Riley and I had so much fun baking, so today we are sharing a super easy apple turnover recipe that you can recreate for the holidays. This video is in collaboration with some amazing YouTube moms that I have been fortunate enough to get to know, and I know you guys are going to love them as well. There is Amber from Boss Mom Hustle. She is a working mom with 4 kids. I honestly have no idea how she gets it all done. On her channel, she posts a ton of cleaning, cooking, and vlogs with her family. Then there's Cheryl from Authentically Cheryl, and she's a stay-at-home mom with 2 kids, which she calls Hershey Kisses, which I think is the cutest little thing. She is also a military wife and posts a ton of cleaning motivation. And then we have Grace, and she is one of my first YouTube friends here. She is a stay-at-home mom with 2 degrees and a 2-year-old little girl named Naomi. On her channel, she posts beauty, lifestyle, and motherhood videos, so head on over to their channel once you're finished watching my video to see what recipe they are each sharing. I will have all their video links below. If you are new, thank you so much for being here. My name is Nia, and I'm a millennial working mom with a 2-year-old little girl named Riley. And here on my channel, I post lifestyle and cleaning motivation. So please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. Leave a comment below introducing yourself. I love getting to know you guys. And for those of you already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. I'm starting off by making the dough, and to be honest, to make the whole entire recipe a whole lot easier, you can definitely get puff pastries from the store. My local grocery store was just out at the moment, so I did a quick recipe and made my own dough. And I also will have all of the recipes linked down below for you guys. While that is chilling in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, I went ahead and started peeling about 5 apples to prep and put into the apple turnovers. I then set the apples aside and took 2 frozen sticks of butter and grated it into the flour mixture that we had just had sitting in the fridge.
But I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Then add in some frozen water, and we are going to form the dough. Then we're going to put that into the fridge for about a half an hour, which gives us just enough time before Riley gets up from her nap.
You're wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're
finally was up from her nap, she helped me roll out the dough, and she is such a great helper in the kitchen. I'm really hoping that by incorporating her more into baking and cooking, it will help with her picky eating. So she helped me roll everything out, and then once we were done there, we cut up the dough into small individual pieces.
I wanna make it sweat on me. I wanna make it sweat on me. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time.
Now the recipe said to keep the apples in big chunks like this, but to be honest, after making the first one, I figured cutting them up into smaller pieces was a lot better. And then they said just to use regular sugar, but I used this cinnamon sugar mixture that I already had up in the cabinet, and I think it worked out a lot better.
Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it. That we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
Now it's time to add a little bit of egg on top and then a bit more cinnamon and sugar, and pop these into the oven until they turn golden brown.
Wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time.
So while that is cooking in the oven, I am going to tackle this mess and get this kitchen cleaned.
Baby, we should start living now. You ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. 'Cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end. Dreams you don't follow, they crumble. You know I can't stay, what you're getting so hollow. So go, cause you're picking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to check out Amber, Cheryl, and Grace's video. I will have everything linked down in the description bar for you guys, along with the recipe that I shared in this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'll meet you